Hey, it's Aislyn from Pretty Hair is Fun, and this week we're going to show you how to do a BOHO braided headband. Let's get started.
To start, I've just given her a center part and crimped her hair. And the first thing I'm going to do is just part all of her hair just above her ears. I'm going to pull this up and just clip it back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a large section of hair right back here from behind her ears. And I'm just going to 3-strand braid it. I also like to go through and pull this just a little bit. Once you're down to the bottom of your braid, I'm just going to bring this above her ear and I'm going to put it against her forehead. What is her? I'm just going to wrap it across her forehead like this. And then from this side, I'm just going to anchor it back farther, and I'm just going to grab a piece of hair, and just using a clear elastic, I'm going to anchor them together. And you'll want to try and ponytail it as close to the head as you can, so it's not causing a little bump. The nice thing about anchoring it back here on this side is you can wear it 3 different ways. You can wear it across your forehead, or you can wear it up here against your hairline, or you can even pull it up this way so it acts as an actual headband. For this video, I'm going to leave it down here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go throughout her hair and braid some small braids, just doing different braids like twist braids, fishtails, and just 3-strand. So I'm going to start over here. And I'm just going to take small sections from the top so that they start immediately from her part. Now I'm just going to do a regular 3-strand braid, but I'm going to pull it so it's nice and wide. Now I'm just going to do another twist braid here in the back. And for the last braid, I'm just going to do another 3-strand braid right here. And this is our BOHO braided headband look.
Thanks for watching this week's tutorial. Make sure to subscribe and check out these cool videos. And my favorite version of this hairstyle is the Frida Kahlo. See you next week.